Hi there. If you'd rather read than watch a long video like this, you're in luck. I've condensed the key information from this video into an article on my website. You'll find the link below in the comment and description section. Click on it to start reading right away. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we dive into the world of skincare and share tips and tricks for achieving healthy and beautiful skin. If you're looking to enhance your skincare routine, you've come to the right place. In this channel, we'll be exploring the benefits of facial steamers, a powerful tool that can take your skincare game to the next level. From deep cleansing and hydration to relaxation and improved product penetration, facial steamers have a lot to offer. Join me as we uncover the top 5 helpful facts about using facial steamers and discover how they can help you achieve the skin of your dreams. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a radiant and glowing complexion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an episode. Let's dive into the world of facial steamers and embark on a journey to healthier, more beautiful skin together. 1. Deep cleansing. Facial steamers are often used as a part of deep cleansing routines because they can provide several benefits for the skin. Here's how they work. Opening up the pores. The warm steam from facial steamers helps to open up the pores on your skin. When the pores are open, it becomes easier to remove dirt, oil, and other impurities that may be trapped inside. Increased perspiration. The steam increases perspiration, which can help flush out toxins and further aid in removing impurities from the skin. Perspiration can also help to unclog pores and reduce the appearance of blackheads and whiteheads. Softening debris. The heat and moisture from the steam soften the debris, making it easier to cleanse. This can be particularly helpful for individuals with oily or combination skin types, as it can facilitate the removal of excess sebum and reduce the likelihood of breakouts. Relaxation and hydration. Facial steamers provide a relaxing and spa-like experience. The steam helps to hydrate the skin, improving its moisture levels and leaving it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. However, it's important to note that while facial steamers can be beneficial for deep cleansing, they may not be suitable for everyone or for all skin types. If you have sensitive or extremely dry skin, or if you have certain skin conditions such as rosacea or eczema, you should consult with a dermatologist before incorporating a facial steamer into your skincare routine. Additionally, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and not overuse steamers, as excessive heat or prolonged exposure to steam can potentially damage the skin. 2. Hydration boost. Steam can indeed provide a hydration boost to the skin. Here's how it works. Moisture absorption. When the warm steam comes into contact with your skin, it helps to increase its moisture levels. The steam permeates the skin's outer layer, known as the stratum corneum, and helps to hydrate it. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or dehydrated skin, as it can help to replenish moisture and improve skin texture. Improved blood circulation. The heat from the steam helps to dilate the blood vessels in the skin, which in turn promotes better blood circulation. Improved blood flow brings more nutrients and oxygen to the skin cells, enhancing their overall health and vitality. This increased circulation can contribute to a more radiant complexion. Enhanced absorption of skincare products. Steam can also assist in the better absorption of skincare products. When the pores are open due to the steam, they become more receptive to the active ingredients in your skincare products. Applying moisturizers, serums, or masks immediately after steaming can allow these products to penetrate deeper into the skin, maximizing their effectiveness and hydrating benefits. Plumper complexion. By increasing moisture levels and improving blood circulation, steam can help to achieve a plumper and more supple complexion. Hydrated skin appears healthier, smoother, and more youthful, with reduced signs of dryness and fine lines. It's important to remember that while steam can provide a hydration boost, it should be followed by proper moisturization to lock in the moisture. Applying a suitable moisturizer or hydrating serum after steaming can help seal in the hydration and maintain the benefits obtained from the steam treatment. 3. Relaxation and stress relief. Facial steamers can offer a relaxing and soothing experience, contributing to stress relief and overall well-being. Here's how they can help. Relaxation of facial muscles. The warm steam from facial steamers can help relax the muscles in your face. As you expose your skin to the steam, the heat gently warms the facial muscles, promoting relaxation and reducing tension. This can be particularly beneficial for those who carry stress in their facial muscles or suffer from facial muscle tightness. Stress reduction. The combination of the warm steam and the calming atmosphere created during a facial steaming session can have a relaxing effect on the mind and body. The soothing sensation of the steam, along with the quiet and peaceful environment, can help reduce stress levels and promote a sense of tranquility. Spa-like experience. Using a facial steamer can create a spa-like atmosphere in the comfort of your own home. The act of indulging in a self-care routine and pampering your skin with steam can enhance the overall experience and contribute to a sense of luxury and relaxation. Inhalation of aromatic ingredients. Some facial steamers allow for the addition of essential oils or herbal infusions, which can further enhance the relaxation experience. Inhaling the aroma of these ingredients during the steaming process can have a therapeutic effect, promoting relaxation and mental well-being. Engaging in regular self-care practices, such as using a facial steamer, can be a great way to take a break from the stresses of everyday life, unwind, and prioritize your well-being. Remember to create a peaceful environment, take deep breaths, and fully enjoy the relaxing benefits of the facial steaming experience. 4. Enhanced product penetration. When your pores are open and your skin is warm from the steam, it creates an optimal environment for enhanced product penetration. Here's how it works. Open pores. The warm steam helps to open up your pores, making them more receptive to skincare products. Open pores allow for better absorption and penetration of the active ingredients in your serums, moisturizers, or masks. Increased blood circulation. The steam promotes increased blood circulation to the skin. Improved blood flow brings more nutrients and oxygen to the skin cells, which can enhance the absorption and effectiveness of the skincare products you apply. Enhanced absorption. When the pores are open, skincare products can penetrate deeper into the skin layers. The steam softens the skin's outer layer, allowing for better product absorption. This means that the active ingredients in your products can reach the deeper layers of the skin where they can provide their intended benefits. Maximized effectiveness. By applying your skincare products immediately after using a facial steamer, you can maximize their effectiveness. The combination of open pores, increased blood circulation, and enhanced absorption allows the products to work more efficiently and deliver their targeted benefits to the skin. It's important to note that while the steam can facilitate better product penetration, it's still essential to choose skincare products that are suitable for your skin type and concerns. Additionally, make sure to follow the recommended application instructions and use products that are appropriate for use after steam, as some products may be specifically formulated for this purpose. 5. Improved circulation. Facial steaming can indeed contribute to improved circulation, which can have several benefits for the complexion. Here's how it works. Increased blood flow. The warm steam from facial steaming helps to dilate the blood vessels in the skin. This dilation leads to increased blood flow to the facial area, delivering oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells to the skin cells. Improved blood circulation nourishes the skin, promoting its overall health and vitality. Nourishment and revitalization. With enhanced blood circulation, the skin receives a greater supply of oxygen and nutrients. This nourishment can help revitalize the skin cells, promoting their optimal functioning and supporting the production of collagen and elastin. As a result, the skin may appear more vibrant, plump, and healthy. Natural glow. Improved circulation can contribute to a natural and radiant glow. When blood flow to the skin is enhanced, it can give the complexion a healthier appearance. The skin may appear brighter and more luminous due to the improved oxygenation and nourishment of the skin cells. Even skin tone. Adequate blood circulation can help maintain a more even skin tone. By promoting the delivery of nutrients and the removal of waste products, improved circulation can support a balanced complexion. It may help reduce the appearance of redness or uneven pigmentation, leading to a more uniform skin tone. It's important to note that while facial steaming can improve circulation, it should be done in moderation and not excessively, as prolonged or excessive heat exposure can potentially cause skin damage. Additionally, combining facial steaming with other skincare practices, such as regular cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection, can further enhance the overall health and appearance of your skin. Thank you for joining me on this skincare journey and exploring the incredible benefits of facial steamers. I hope you found these top 5 facts helpful and informative. Remember, taking care of your skin is an investment in your overall well-being and confidence. So, go ahead, incorporate a facial steamer into your routine, and let your skin reap the rewards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also seeking that healthy, beautiful glow. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, product reviews, and exciting content to help you on your quest for radiant skin. Until next time, take care, and may your skin always be glowing and vibrant.